Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Little quick video on the extrude tool. Whenever I use the extrude tool, I always have a kind of like a problem. I've got text here. I'm going to extrude it, and I'm going to extrude it pretty far. But then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to rotate it like this. And then I have to get this slide bar, and I sometimes have trouble getting it to get to a thinner part. Well, right here is the depth, and you could go 1, and then you only have a depth of 1, and we could make that thicker or bigger. And then if you'll take the whole thing and go to object and break the extrude group apart and grab the extrude group and actually put yellow or whatever color, and then you could right click to put lines, and you're getting a little bitty thin extruded. Now let's go back and let's go 2. And then break it apart. And it's just, for me, it's a lot easier to get that little thin extrude. See, so I've doubled that. That's 1 and that's 2. And it kind of gives you if you don't forget to grab it all, a total different look in the extrusion. Anyway, hope that little tidbit helped, and thank you for watching.